doing a search. My God, just want to do my thing, that's not new. Why did I search? My God, I just want to say something like it's not true. But here we are, living with rules like 34. And if it could be imagined, well, it was turned into porn. This will make my mom frown. Is this what I signed up for? Gotta block it out. I didn't create it, it's not my fault. I wanted to be somebody, making up money, breaks my heart until you say you never, ever, ever, ever see me. Could I be so lucky? Let me off the hook. I really wish I could. I wanted to be somebody. I wish I stayed nobody. Don't do that search. My God, it's like a punch in the chest. Who dreams this shit up? I keep my mouth shut. I wonder how it looks in high def. But there's no way to fight a rule like 34. If I create it, well, someone will turn it into porn. I wanted to be somebody, make that money. I had a head start, but you keep saying you never, ever, 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 ever search me. Could I be so lucky? Let me off the hook. Really wish I could. I wanted to be somebody. Wish I stayed nobody. What I saw, by all means, it's not crazy to want these dreams. I've not been hiding, porn made with me in mind. It means I am somebody, making money, but it breaks my heart. You still say you'll never, ever, 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 ever search me. Am I that unlucky? Put me on the hook. I really wish I could. I wish I could be somebody. Making out money, but it breaks my heart. Still say you'll never, ever, 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 ever see me. Could it be that I'm lucky? Put me on the hook. I really wish I could. I don't want to be nobody. Wish I could be somebody.